Welcome to ValueQuest, where we deliver smart reviews to help you make informed decisions. Today, we're diving into a topic that resonates with DIY enthusiasts and homeowners alike: shed plans. If you've ever envisioned creating a space that's uniquely yours, whether for storage, a workshop, or a cozy retreat, you're in the right place. Stick around, and by the end of this video, you'll have the insights and confidence to embark on building your dream shed. Before we delve deeper, please like this video, subscribe to our channel, and share your thoughts in the comments below. Your engagement fuels our growth and enables us to provide more valuable content tailored to your interests. Let's talk about sheds. At first glance, they might seem like simple structures, but their potential is far from ordinary. Whether you're aiming to declutter your garage, carve out a space for your hobbies, or enhance your property's value, a well-constructed shed can be transformative. However, embarking on such a project without a solid plan can quickly lead to frustration and unnecessary expenses. That's where my shed plans comes into play. Imagine initiating a project with every detail meticulously laid out for you. That's the promise of my shed plans, a comprehensive guide designed to eliminate the guesswork from building your ideal shed. Tailored for beginners and semi-skilled DIYers, you don't need to be a seasoned carpenter to succeed. With over 12,000 detailed plans, it's akin to having a master craftsman guiding you through every cut, measurement, and assembly. Here's something that sets my shed plans apart. These plans are written by an experienced woodworker, not a copywriter who doesn't understand the craft. This expertise shines through in every detail. The plans include all angles and dimensions, leaving no room for confusion. Each step is presented in a clear, step-by-step Lego instruction style, making even complex projects feel approachable. It's like having a blueprint that speaks directly to your needs and skill level. In addition, every plan comes with complete materials and precise cutting lists. You'll know exactly what to buy and how to cut it, minimizing waste and ensuring accuracy. This isn't just about building, it's about building smartly. The inclusion of dimensional and CAD drawings provides a professional-level clarity, while highly useful notes describe precisely what each piece of material is used for. This combination of detailed visuals and practical guidance sets my shed plans in a league of its own. Now, you might wonder, why invest in a shed plan instead of improvising? Picture this: you've purchased materials, prepared the site, and begun construction, only to realize midway that your measurements are off, or worse, the structure lacks stability. Such mistakes are not only costly, but also disheartening. A well-structured plan eradicates these pitfalls by providing precise instructions and diagrams, ensuring your project remains on course from inception to completion. One of the standout features of my shed plans is its clarity. The plans are detailed yet accessible, breaking down complex projects into manageable steps. Whether it's a straightforward storage shed or a more intricate design with custom features, you'll find comprehensive materials lists and clear illustrations. This level of detail saves you time, money, and the frustration of trial and error construction. Let's explore the versatility these plans offer. Perhaps you're envisioning a classic gable roof shed for your backyard, or maybe a modern, sleek design that complements your home's aesthetic. With my shed plans, the options are virtually limitless. The collection includes plans for garden sheds, tool sheds, playhouses, and even larger projects like barns and garages. Each plan caters to different styles and needs, allowing you to personalize your shed and make it truly unique. Consider the sense of accomplishment that comes from building something with your own hands. In an era dominated by mass production, there's immense satisfaction in creating a structure yourself. It not only instills a tangible sense of pride, but also hones your DIY skills, boosting your confidence for future projects. Practical benefits abound as well. A well-built shed isn't merely a structure, it's an investment. It adds functionality to your property, offering storage solutions that free up space in your home. For those utilizing sheds as workshops or creative spaces, it becomes a haven for productivity. Moreover, if you're contemplating selling your home, a shed can enhance its market appeal, making it advantageous on multiple fronts. You might be thinking, what's the catch? Honestly, there isn't one. The beauty of my shed plans lies in its simplicity and accessibility. Everything you need is provided, from foundational basics to advanced customization tips. Even if you're starting from scratch, the step-by-step instructions ensure you're never left in the dark. Let's discuss cost. Building a shed can become expensive if not approached carefully, especially when relying on trial and error. However, with my shed plans, you're not just acquiring instructions, you're investing in a resource that helps you economize. By offering accurate material lists and efficient designs, these plans minimize waste and optimize your budget. Additionally, the initial cost of the plans is minimal compared to potential savings on materials and time. Imagine this. You've completed your shed, and it's everything you envisioned. Your tools are neatly organized, your garden equipment has a dedicated space, and your outdoor area feels revitalized. That's the power of starting with a solid plan. It's not just about building a shed, it's about creating a solution that enhances your lifestyle. Before we conclude, let's recap the highlights. My Shed Plans offers a comprehensive, beginner-friendly guide to constructing sheds of various shapes and sizes. With detailed instructions, clear illustrations, and an extensive array of designs, it's the ultimate resource for DIY enthusiasts. Whether you're looking to declutter, establish a workspace, or add value to your property, these plans equip you with everything needed for success. If you're ready to take the first step toward building your dream shed, now's the time to act. Click the link in the description to learn more about my shed plans and embark on your DIY journey today. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to ValueQuest, and share your thoughts in the comments below. What kind of shed are you planning to build? We'd love to hear your ideas. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. Until then, happy building!